Alright guys, today I'm going to be breaking, I'm seeing what's inside headphones basically, and they're right there, and we'll see you when I get to that. Alright, so first, I'm just gonna hit them on the ground. Just wait, let me switch hands. Hit them on the ground and see what they do. Nope. So inside the headphones, just snap it back like that. Is that? These headphones didn't work, by the way. Oh, found a different piece. So now we got that part and that part. And snap this thing off. Oh, it comes in half. Right. Alright. So all this is a clothing stuff. And then that. Can you get this right?
Hey, Stone!
Let's see. This way I got it. Sit down. Alright. Kind of like plasticky stuff. Alright, so all this and then alright. Alright, come back later. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is what we got. We got pieces and another piece over there. Piece over there. This stuff, and this stuff is what came out of the top of the headphones. That, see? Like that. And them little pieces. And alright, that's gonna be it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. And peace.